al-Mu'mineen Aisha radiallahu anha says, never for 2 days in a row, never for 2 consecutive days did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam ever eat barley. So they would mainly eat barley. If you want to be healthy and live healthy, follow the diet and the sleeping pattern of Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Truly, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, if he would eat, all this talk about carbs and protein, so if any carbs he would eat, he would be barley, but even then on occasions. He loved meat, but that's no reason for excessive consumption, because Aisha radiallahu anha relates that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, as well as they, the family, would only occasionally and rarely receive meat. In one hadith of Bukhari, she says, for 2 whole months, the fire in the hearth of the home of the Messenger of Allah would not be lit because there was no solid food to cook. For 2 whole months. All our food was dates and water for 2 months, and occasionally we would receive a gift of milk. That's why when they would have meat, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam loved meat. But Aisha radiallahu anha herself explains in one hadith that he would only occasionally come to them. This is why he loved meat. So in this hadith, al-Mu'mineen Aisha radiallahu anha says that for 2 consecutive days, never did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam eat his fill from barley for 2 consecutive days until the day he left this world. And in another hadith related by other Sahaba radiallahu anhum, never did the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam fill his stomach. Never did he eat to his fill from barley or from meat, unless he was a guest with other people. So if he was eating with other people as a guest, then maybe he would eat a bit more. But normally he would never eat to his fill.